Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Think India. Diwali is around the corner and I guess you are all busy with cleaning, shopping and making sweets and snacks. When it's Diwali, laddus are a must. So today in Think India kitchen, let's make some delicious dry fruit laddus which are very easy to make. Without any further ado, let's get started. I took cashews, walnuts, almonds, each 75 grams, dried figs, dried apricots and dates deseeded, each of 100 grams, 50 grams coconut flakes and 2 tablespoons of pistachios to garnish, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom. Heat up a pan and dry roast the nuts. You can also roast them in ghee for that extra flavor. Turn off the heat and add coconut so that it doesn't burn. Chop all the dry fruits and add it to a food processor or a mixer jar. Add the nuts and run the food processor. Now add the ground cardamom and pulse it. The nuts and dry fruits form a thick dough-like consistency. Now with the help of a spoon, scoop out and shape into laddus. And that's it, our delicious dry fruit laddus are ready. Garnish them with some chopped pistachios. And how easy was that? Involve your kids making laddus, they'll definitely have the festive fun. These dry fruit laddus are sugar-free, vegan, and you can store them in an airtight container for 2 weeks at room temperature. So, why to wait? Make it and enjoy with your family and friends for this Diwali. And you guys enjoy the Diwali preparation, and I'll see you next time. Namaste.